So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use dark mode in your Google search. So before starting the video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, go to the Google Chrome browser in your Android smartphone. Here in the top right corner you can see three dots. Click on the three dots and go to the settings. Scroll down a little bit and go to the option of theme. Here you can see various options: system default, light and dark. Just simply click on the dark and the dark mode is applied in your Android smartphone into Google search. Here you can see. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.